Hello Marcus, happy birthday. Mr. Cutie ng buong mundo. Yun lang. Love you, pre. At sana payagan na tayo nila mami at tita lumabas. Love you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Natatawa ako. Happy birthday, Kuya Lance! Wait lang, nag-iisip pa ako sabihin. Happy birthday! 19 years old ka na. Sana mabuti ka pa ring tao. Pero seryoso, happy birthday, Lance. Enjoy your day. God bless. Keep safe. Ayun. Yun lang. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Kuya Lance! I wish you good health and more birthdays to come. Thank you so much for being a kuya to all of us. Stay healthy and happy. We love you. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, One Verse Lance. Grabe to si Mr. Cutie Lance natin. More kulitan. And sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo, kuya. Kita-kits soon.
What's up, Kuya Lance? Happy birthday, bro. Just want you to know that I really appreciate you big time. And not just a bandmate, but a big bro, a brother that I really appreciate and also look up to. Even my mom likes you. And God bless you. God bless your family. Hope you're having a good time or a good day. And kita-kits tayo soon. Peace.
Happy birthday to the ultimate Mr. Cutie Lance Aceron. Wish ko sa'yo is magtuloy-tuloy pa yung karir mo. And sana magkasama-sama ulit tayong mga Mr. Cuties. And so yun lang. Ingat ka palagi dyan. See you soon, bro.
Hello, Marcus Ero. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Wish you the best of everything.
Good luck sa career. Crush ka niyo. Crush ka niyo. Good luck sa career. Galingan mo pa. Sana maging official member ka. And yan. Miss ka na rin.
Hello Brother Lance, ayan, happy birthday sa'yo and congratulations pala sa pagkapanalo mo sa Mr. Cutie. Ayan, proud kami mga Mr. Cutie brothers mo. Ayun, and wish ko sa'yo, good health lang pre, tsaka always be humble. Galingan mo lagi kasi naniniwala kami sa'yo. And yun, good luck sa future. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Kuya Lance. Love you. We miss you.
Po, happy birthday, happy 19th birthday. Birthday mo pala ngayon. Ay, Mr. Cutie ng Itbulaga. Apo, ang wish ko sa iyo, makatapos ka ng pag-aaral, first year college ka na, pagbutihin mo pag-aaral, and then yung passion mong pag-aartista, magiging successful ka. Apo, see you on February 22 sa SM East Cainta. Mga friends ko dito sa Gracious Salon sa Vimapa. Si Noemi at saka si June. No? Sila nagbibideo sa akin. Nag-chair exercise si Lola. O, diba? O, love you, Lance. Marcus, love you, Apo. My poging-poging, Apo. O, diba? Congratulations sa One Verse. Sa leaderboard mo, lagi kang nagtatakbuhan. O, di ba? O, congrats, Marcus. Happy birthday. Love you. God bless. Thank you.
Hi, Marcos. Our message for you, we want to say we're so proud of you and we're so happy with what's happening with your career right now. You're so busy and you're meeting a lot of people and you're having a great time and experience, and we hope you enjoy it and talagang maximize it and hopefully ma-achieve mo yung ultimate goal mo this year and the years to come. You know how proud we are of you and we wish you all the best always, and we want to say Happy birthday, Marcos.
We love you.
Hi, Marcus Lance Aceron, aka Ero. Happy birthday, my apo. Ang bago kong apo. Sana, wish ko sa'yo, ma-fulfill mo lahat ng dreams mo. Enjoyin mo lang. Basta, ang health mo ang importante at ang iyong pag-aaral. Love you, apo. Happy birthday. Ito si Tita.
Happy birthday, inaanak, Lance. Sa akin, good health para magawa mo lahat ng gusto mong gawain, na ma-achieve mo lahat. Happy birthday. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Lance. Hindi ko na actually alam yung tatawag sa'yo eh. Kung Lance, Marcus, Ero. Pero dahil ikaw yung baby ko na lalaki, tatawagin kitang i-choose kung ano yung tawag sa'yo ng bata ka. Happy birthday, happy 19th birthday. Biruin mo, 19 ka na, anak. Hindi ako makapaniwala na 19 ka na. Pero sa amin ng daddy mo, baby ka pa rin namin, katulad ng ate mo at ni Maxine. Pero ngayong araw na to, gusto ko enjoy mo yung birthday mo. Isipin mo palagi na mahal ka namin ng mga kapatid mo, ng daddy mo, lalo na si mami. Wish ko sana matupad lahat ng mga goal mo sa buhay. At maabot mo lahat ng mga gusto mong matrating, mapuntahan, or ano man. Basta anak, mag-iingat ka parate, lalo na sa pag nagko-commute at hindi kita maihahatid. Mag-iingat ka, lagi ka maging conscious sa paligid mo. Lahat ng mga sinasabi ng daddy, sana lagi mong matandaan. And yun, enjoy mo yung araw na to. Happy birthday, I love you.
Happy birthday, Ero. Bilis ng panahon. Ang wish ko for you is sana matupad na yung big break na hinintay mo. I know how hard you have worked to get to this point. And we're all very excited, no? Palagi kayo namin napapanood sa social media. Kahit magkakalayo tayo ni Mami. It makes me proud na seeing you perform in front of many people. Tapos, syempre, obviously, natutuwa sila sa'yo. And we're very grateful because we know you're in good hands sa bago mong manager. So, thank you for that. And, yun, sana happy ka with what's going on with your career. Palagi mong tatandaan na nakasupport lang kami palagi sa'yo. Yung mga supporters mo, always be grateful to them, sa manager mo, and yeah, lagi kang mag-iingat, and I hope to see you soon. Happy birthday. I love you.